Imagine stepping into a land where ancient history meets stunning landscapes and crystal-clear waters. Welcome to Croatia. From its majestic historic sites to its breathtaking coastline, Croatia is a paradise waiting to be explored. I'm Mark from Travila, and in this video, I'll give you all the insider tips you need to make the most of your Croatian adventure. So, whether you're here for the culture, the beaches, or the food, stick around. Let's dive into everything you need to know before you go. Looking for more insider travel tips? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a travel update from us. Best time to visit Croatia. The right time to go really depends on your interests. If you're eager to explore Croatia's historic sites and enjoy some hiking in milder weather, spring, March to May, is ideal. Want to soak up the sun on the beach and experience the lively nightlife? Plan your trip between June and August. For a more relaxed experience, fall, September to November, offers pleasant weather with fewer crowds. Plus, it's the season for wine and olive harvesting. And if you're after a quieter, more affordable getaway, winter is a great option. You can also check out the Christmas markets in the cities, which are full of festive charm. Getting to Croatia. Most visitors fly into Croatia's international airports, which are well connected with major European cities and seasonal flights from other continents. You can also take a train from neighboring countries like Hungary, Slovenia, or Austria, though connections can be limited. Croatia's well-maintained road network makes it easy to drive from nearby countries like Italy, Slovenia, or Hungary. For budget travelers, international buses are a great option, connecting Croatia to many European cities. There are even ferries from Italy to coastal cities like Split and Dubrovnik. Getting around Croatia. Once you're there, getting around Croatia is pretty straightforward. Renting a car gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace, especially for visiting remote spots, national parks, and islands. Croatia also has an affordable and extensive bus network linking major cities, coastal towns, and inland areas. Trains are a more limited option, but still useful if you're traveling between cities. Ferries and catamarans are perfect for hopping between islands, and for long distances, domestic flights are quick and efficient. Typical prices in Croatia. Hostel dorms start at around €50 per night, though you can find cheaper options in less touristy areas. In major tourist spots like Dubrovnik or Split, prices can go up to around €40 for a bed. Mid-range hotel rooms range from €100 to €200 a night. And if you're aiming for luxury, coastal hotels typically start at €200 per night. For food, street food like savory pastries or grilled sausages can cost you under €7, while a meal at a casual tavern will set you back around €15. Save money in Croatia. Want to visit Croatia on a budget? It's totally doable with some planning. Consider traveling in the shoulder seasons, May, September, or October, when accommodation and flight prices are lower and the crowds are thinner. For example, hostels in Dubrovnik drop from €40 in the summer to €20 in the off-season. Instead of renting a car, use the bus. A bus ride from Split to Dubrovnik costs about €15, compared to over €50 for a car rental with tolls. Take advantage of free or low-cost activities like beach days, hiking in national parks, and wandering through historic towns. You can even save on island hopping by using local ferries instead of speedboats. And in major cities, don't miss out on the free walking tours. Just remember to tip your guide. Best things to do in Croatia. Croatia has something for everyone, from natural wonders to rich history and culture. Here are some of the best places to visit. Dubrovnik's Old Town. Walk along the ancient city walls, explore historic landmarks like the Rector's Palace, and take in the incredible views of the Adriatic Sea. Island hopping in the Adriatic. Croatia is home to countless beautiful islands, each with its own charm. Plitvice Lakes National Park. This UNESCO-listed park is famous for its stunning lakes, waterfalls, and wooden walkways, perfect for nature lovers. Zlatni Rat Beach. Known for its unique shape and crystal-clear waters, this beach is a must-visit. Split. Don't miss Diocletian's Palace. Climb the bell tower or take a stroll along the Riva Promenade. For panoramic views, head to Marjan Hill. Wine and olive tasting. Croatia is renowned for its vineyards and olive groves. Take a tour and taste some of the finest local produce. Kayak along the Dalmatian Coast. Paddle through scenic coastlines, explore caves, and discover hidden beaches. Zagreb. The capital city is full of museums, vibrant markets, and a lively nightlife scene. And of course, you can't leave without trying some local dishes. Be sure to sample black risotto and peka. We hope you have an amazing time in Croatia. Stay traveler and enjoy your travels. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about travel tips, city guides, and adventure vlogs. Check out this playlist of my top travel videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.